Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change date format day, month, year in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box first of all type a control panel and go to your control panel. After that go to your region. After opening the region, click on additional settings. After opening the additional settings, go to your date options. Know what is the notations means. So, okay guys. Now, type a DD space space YYYY. Now, after that, click on apply and OK button. Apply and OK button. After that, close it. Now you can see that a format is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.